Welcome, my dear students. So, one more question I'm going to solve from section formula chapter, which belongs to coordinate geometry. So, question is like this: in what ratio does the point P5, 3 divides the line joining the points A2, 3 and B7, 3? In question number 1, previously we have finding the value of P, right? Now in this question we have to find the ratio. Let me illustrate the question in the form of figure. It will give you more detailed information regarding the question. So again, A, B I'm writing here. A is 2, 3, B is 7, 3, right? So the points can be anywhere. Ratio is not given, so it can be anywhere. So the points P is 5, 3. In question number 1, in previous video, you have seen that we need to find this point and M1 and M2 was given. But here, let's suppose this side is M1 and this side is M2, which is missing. Now, how we are going to solve this one? Let's start our solution. Always we will write given. Don't forget to write given. It is the most important part, because when you write the given, it will give more clear information while solving the problem, and it will also minimize your error. So A2, 3 is x1, y1 always, and B7, 3 is x2, y2. What else information is given? Here is given P5, 3. This is the point. So we will give the name x, y. So what is missing is our M1 is missing and our M2 also missing. So we need to find this one. Let's write the language by using which formula? By using section formula. By our solution, we need to indicate that which formula we are using. Sometimes we are using distance formula, but here we are using section formula. So what is our section formula? Our section formula have two formulas separate for x and y, and in both formula there is M1 and M2 is there. So you can go through any, you can go through x also, you can go through the y also, you will get the same values. So first of all, I'm going through x in exam. So our formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, right? Now let's replace the value. What is the value of x? X value is 5 and M1 we are going to keep as it is into x2 is 7 plus M2 also as it is into x1 is again which one? This one. X1 is, don't be confused, this is x1, this is y1. Okay, so x1 is 2 by M1 plus M2. Now what we can do is we can do this cross multiplication, this 5 with M1 and M2. 5 M1 plus M2. We have shifted this M1 and M2 to this side, equals to 7 M1 and 2 M2. Let's open this bracket. Plus 5 M2 equals to 7 M1 plus 2 M2. Then after, what we are going to do is, in the term of M1, this is 5 and this is 7. So we are going to shifting towards the bigger side. A small one, we are going to shift towards the bigger side. So this side will keep 5 M2 as it is, and this is 2 is the smallest one, so we are going to shift this one to left hand side. So plus 2 is there, so it becomes minus 2. Here 7 M1 is as it is, so what will come this side? Yes, 5 will come this side, 5 m1. So after this it will be 5 minus 2, which will be 3, and this side will be 2 m1. Now this is the important part. After this most of the student will get confused, so don't be confused. What we will do is we will keep this 3 here only. Where is our m1? Always look for the m1. m1 is here, right? So we will shift this m2 to right hand side, or if m1 is this side, then we will shift to left hand side. Wherever m1 is there, that side we will shift m2, which will go down, and this 3 is as it is. Now this 2 will come this side. Number will remain one side, and letter will remain one side. So m1 by m2, 3 as it is by 2. Therefore our ratio, which is m1 is to m2, equals to 3 is to 2. Are you clear about the process? I hope you all are clear. If there is any confusion, then feel free to contact me. Thank you.